Okay, today we're working on this old 2008 Silverado, and what we're having problems with today is the electric windows. These switches right here are acting up, and let me show you how we went about fixing them. Okay, we got the key on, and this one's working, but this one does nothing. Alright, so this thing comes off, this handle comes off. You gotta push in on this little slot right here, and then it looks like a 10 millimeter socket to get this off. Alright, you got them two bolts out, and this comes off by just putting that up right there. Okay, now you got this off. You got to remove these plugs and unsnap this little clip right here to get the switch out. Alright, so you release these little clips right here, and then you can take the whole switch out. So now we got to take this apart. Same situation. You relieve these little clips on the side, and this back will come off. All right, we're gonna turn this loose here. All right, so the switch that we're having problems with is this one right here. So I think the issue is these little contact points right there. That little contact point and that little contact point. So this is what I'm going to use on those little contact points. This is 2000 grit paper, and all I'm going to do really is just try to clean them up. So it's these two right here, and if you push out on that a little bit, it protrudes out enough to where you can get it onto the surface, and we're just going to lightly drag it across there. Try to hold it flat. We're going to do this one as well. And you can see it kind of shined it up. All right, I think that's all I'm going to do to it. All right, that's it. I'm going to put it back together. Okay, before we put it all back together, we got it plugged in, and we're going to test it out. So this is the one, the driver's window. It's working. So this is the one that wasn't working. There it goes. It's working now. So that's all it was. Those little contacts get some dirt on them or trash on them, and you just got to get them cleaned off and be very gentle with them, and very lightly clean them, and you should be back operational. Appreciate you watching.